Hi, this is Looking Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2017 Subaru WRX, stock number 6955. This ran from the 3rd 2014 to the 10th 2021. It has an FA20E 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is the FA20E 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard no dents. Left front 18-inch factory maggot tyre, front bonnet, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory maggot tyre, right rear 18-inch factory maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 dent and wobbles, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 18-inch factory maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory sat nav, touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,